Get ready, going green, don't pass the plant car. The pace car is in. Green, green, green. Pit road is now open. The next car's the leader. outside. Outside. Clear outside. 30.518. Car inside. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Still there.
My bad, 15, I ain't gonna get that close.
Still there. Hold your line.
No worries, man.
Clear. 30.543. Car inside. Stay high. There's a car on the low side.
Go low and I'll go fast.
Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Still there. Hold your line. Clear. Outside. Still there. Hold your line. Stay low. 31.085. Still there. Clear outside. Inside. Clear. Inside. Keep high. The yellow flag is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed.
It's barn one.
That's a nice little run, Steve. Yes, sir. Was I holding you up? No, not at all.
Pit road is now open.
Somebody checked up hard at the pit road there. Woo!
Line up single file.
It's okay, I got a
15
zero.
car.
Hopefully I didn't get any damage or anything.
One lap to green. Line up on the outside. 1 minute 19.632. Get ready, going green. The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag. 1 minute 17.214. high. There's a car on the low side. Still there. Keep high. Keep high.
There's nowhere to go right now anyway. That was good, but no big deal, man.
Stay high. 30.391. Clear inside.
What's the
30.238.
talking to me? Yeah, I had to check up for you.
No, these guys are off gas after the turn.
I'm trying to get my runs on the exit, but so far I'm just getting the runs in, and I don't want that.
Yeah, I got restart. Mess anybody up on that restart or full restart?
30.214.
So they just dropped out. We just lose 3, so apologies for messing anybody up.
The car inside. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Keep high. Keep high. 30.401. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Clear. Car inside. Still there. Clear inside. 30.882. Inside. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. 30.404. Keep high. Keep high. Clear inside. Inside. Clear inside. .373. .664.
You gotta be kidding me, dude.
Car up high. The yellow flag is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed.
Bunch of idiots.
Let
Holy
the
crap.
12 car by. He had the position when the yellow
That's
flag
good.
came out. Let the
Definitely gonna avoid
7
it.
car by.
Like
He had the
they're late.
position when the yellow flag came out. Let the 13 car by. Catch the 7 car.
My 4 car, did you get any damage from that?
Pit road is now open.
Me neither. Good.
Minor miracle. Not gonna lie.
I got a 1X, but that's just because I went to the grass.
Let the 6 car by.
Wow.
You got 10 laps to go.
Somebody got loose on the bottom and he just walked to the track and completely exited the corner. He just ran the guy in the wall. That's not right.
No, the guy drove into the back of me and I couldn't do anything about it. I was still trying to save it.
Line up single
I
file.
know that for a fact. Somebody else wrecked too. That was not even involved with them two guys.
Six truck just got way too impatient with me and drove right to the back of me, getting free. And while I was all loose, he tried to drive around me.
Taxi for 7, car.
Done good racing with you there, Ford. Sorry I had a trick up a couple times, but it's not a big deal. I'm just trying not to run anybody over, get good SR.
That was all about me checking up for the two guys in front of me.
Yeah, I figured. I don't remember the car number, but yeah, he technically just let us go, which is all right.
I had to let him battle. There was a 2-car battle there. I was holding us up for a bit, and then once that settled itself, we were able to make the pass and walk away.
Yep. I was actually just comfortable riding behind you.
Yeah, we were gaining on that front pack of 4.
We got some 2-tire gamblers.
That doesn't seem to be working with this setup here.
Yep. I'm gonna do my best not to run anybody over, but hell, I got no guarantees if they're on 2 tires.
Fellas got out of the way pretty well last time.
I'm gonna put you ahead of me again here, so it's
1 lap to green. Line up on the inside. 1 minute 19.934. Get ready, going green. The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag. You're in the top 10. 1 minute 17.334. Car outside. Keep low. Still there. Hold your line. Clear outside. Car inside. Still there. Clear. You've got 5 laps to go. Outside. Still there. Still there. Clear. 30.232. Go. 30.252. Go low. The yellow flag is out. Line up, single file. Pit road is closed. White flag. 1 more lap to go.
I don't know what the heck happened there. It speed up pretty good, but I didn't wreck them.
Man, we just had to have been like touching the third finish line.
You were right behind me there for it too, weren't you?
Yes, sir. I was on my way.
That was a damn good drive, Steve.
Yes, sir. We came from the back, didn't we?
Pit road is now open.
Right behind you and let you take us home as long as it's safe. You made that one mistake. Did you catch a little bit of the curve? I mean, a little bit of apron?
That was a good restart by the 9. Good job, 9.
Yeah, the 4 kind of pinched me down, and I just got the left front on the apron, kind of pulled me around.
Yeah, sorry about that too, but heck man, I had the nose underneath you. I was told that you were on the outside, so shit. I know. I must have since I got underneath you, but
You raised wasn't it, Steve, as far as exit?
There's the flag. It's over.
That was no
Great
exit
job.
that
You
race,
did
right?
really well.